Hey guys, what's happening? To fix a failed Kraken deposit, first troubleshoot the issue based on whether it's a crypto or a fiat deposit. For crypto, check the transaction ID on a blockchain explorer. Alright, you can just type blockchain explorer. Alright, and check from there. Ensure the address, network, and memo were correct. Alright, and that minimum amounts and confirmations were met. For fiat, verify bank details, check for holidays, and ensure your bank can process transactions to Kraken. If you cannot resolve the issue yourself, make sure that Kraken is fully updated to the latest version. So go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, type Kraken, and choose right here. As you can see, Kraken Pro needs to be updated, and also Kraken Wallet app. Alright, and that should fix your problem. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.